Welcome ladies and gentlemen to BubblyTech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the DJI Go app with the Osmo Mobile 2. Let's get into the video. When you start up the DJI Go app, you'll first have to connect it with your Mobile 2. To do that, just find the Osmo Mobile 2 picture and just press connect device. Once you have pressed it, turn on the Mobile 2 and it should connect with your phone. Now that we've done that, let's head into the app. When you enter the camera app window, you'll have a lot of options. We'll first start off on the top left and move our way down and to the right. The first option you'll see is the change between filming and photography mode. Since we've probably bought the gimbal for making video, we'll leave it on the video mode. Then under that, you'll find a few different video recording options. This is one of the main benefits of using this app. The first option is normal video, then it's time-lapse, then hyperlapse, and the last one is M time-lapse. Under that, you'll have an option to start or stop recording, then a button to switch between the front and the back camera. Right next to that, you'll have an option to change between normal autofocus and a fixed autofocus point, for example to follow an object. Moving on the right side, you'll find a button to go back to the home page. Then under that, you'll have a button for camera settings. The first option is to change the video resolution, then beautify mode, a button for white balancing your video, then an option for your flash, and the last one, the grid option. The next button is for gimbal settings, like turning pitch on or off, and for if you're walking or running with the gimbal. Now let's move on to the last one, which are settings. In the settings you'll find 4 different options: the camera option, the gimbal option, the general option, and the video stream option. In the camera options you can change the storage location on where your videos will be stored. The zoom sensitivity can be changed from fast to slow. You can also reset the camera and also save unstitched pano photos. Then in the gimbal settings you can change the configuration speed. You can also calibrate the gimbal horizontally or auto calibrate it. Then in the general gimbal options you can change the joystick control directions. You can also turn on pan reverse and tilt reverse. And the last thing, you can reset the gimbal to default settings. Now let's move on to the overall general settings for the device. For example, you can change the device name on how it will show up when you try to connect to it. Then you can also reset fresh guide, and also you can see some information on the about section. Then for the last thing, we have live stream. You can live stream videos from the gimbal onto Facebook, YouTube, Webio, and also you can customize it. And so this concludes my overlook and review of the DJI Go app. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Also follow me on my social media, link down in the description. And as always, this was Bubbly and I'm signing out.